Air Jordan 5 K54 stands as one of Jordan Brand's more authentic tributes to global streetball culture. Released in July 2021, the sneaker honors the annual K54 tournament in Paris, a world-famous event that blends basketball, music, and fashion into one cultural platform. Rather than relying on hype-driven storytelling, this release focuses on thoughtful design and material execution. The shoe features a clean white leather upper accented by red TPU eyelets and translucent quarter-panel netting. Behind the mesh, a subtle K54 logo adds depth without overpowering the silhouette. A reflective silver tongue with a red Jumpman is paired with a woven heel tag featuring tournament branding. Inside, the abstract patterned lining draws inspiration from Paris' African community, reinforcing the tournament's multicultural roots. Black laces and a red translucent outsole with repeating K54 branding complete the look. It remains a standout international Jordan collaboration available today on resale platforms such as StockX.